Dear students, this video is basically uh, instruction regarding the solution of the industrial pharmacy 2 paper. After the downloading the MS Word format file, question paper, and before attempting the paper, first of all you should write your correct name and full, registration number, your email address, as well as your WhatsApp contact number, and remember to write prior to attempting any question that is highlighted here and colored red. After that, you have to attempt the question, that is question number 1. Explain the physical stability issues and pharmaceutical emulsion with special reference to symptoms and with the size of droplet changes. You have to solve this question, part A, here, but remember that before attempting this question, you can consult the chapters pharmaceutical emulsion, and you should be specific while attempting this question. Remember that the question asked here, that is the size of droplet changes. The symptoms, you have to write down those changes, stability, physical stability issues, and which the droplet sizes change. And after that solution, you have to describe this part. In part B, the role of following ingredients. The ingredients are mentioned here, that is sugar used in the pharmaceutical emulsion, sorbitol, NaCl, and amaranth. These are the different excipients which are used in the pharmaceutical emulsion. You can consult the audio, video, or PPT for attempting this question, and you have to elaborate the role. Suppose that you are going to attempt the first one, that is sugar. You have to mention that what is the role of sugar in the formulation of pharmaceutical emulsion. And after the completion of these two, you can also add the references here. After the attempted question number 1, you have to add separately with part A and part B, as well as combinedly. You can at the end you can also write your references, that from where you have to attempt. Question number 2 is how you will overcome the loss of color, flavor, and changes in elegance. These are some symptoms which may be resulted of due to some problems in the formulation, that is pharmaceutical suspension. Recalling from the pharmaceutical suspension chapter, you can consult these changes, and these changes are resulted due to some problem, and you have to write the reason of the problem, that why these changes occur, and how to solve the problem. And second part of the part A, question number 2 is why the importance of Brookfield viscometer and hygrometer and testing pharmaceutical suspension. You have to write these two, that is viscometer and hygrometer, for testing the pharmaceutical suspension. And the part B, similarly, you have to attempt the sedimentation volume calculation related, and you have to write the formula, and in that particular formula you have to write the values, and after that you have to calculate the sedimentation volume, that is designated by capital F. And similarly you have to add the references separately, as you can also at the end uh, you can mention over here in part A after part A completion and as well as part B. Question number 3, you have to write the role of clays in semi-solid dosage form, recalling from the consulting the audio video or PPT, semi-solid dosage form, and you have to write the differentiation between the paste and ointments, the differences between the paste and ointment, and how impurities are filtered out before the wax is transferred to the manufacturing well cell. How these filters impurities are filtered, you have to write the reason, the ways of the solution, and also describe in brief word the patches and the plant, definition and the usage, example, and brief you can write these patches and plants. And you have to save after the solution of the whole paper. You have to save and with your appropriate instruction that is also given in the instruction. Best of luck.